In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or display the search box on your taskbar on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select personalization on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to go down and locate where it says taskbar. And then there should be an item at the top that says search. Click the drop-down field and select search box. And then it should appear down in your taskbar. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.